Yo guys, what's up? It's David again. We're here with the crypto news. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna read some crypto news and enter some live trades, and I'm super excited to introduce my new OBS layout that I've recently made. But first, let's go ahead and see if we can scalp a quick trade here. Let's go ahead and buy. We're gonna see if we can't buy 5 Bitcoin real quick. And boom, there we go. All right, we might come up from the bottom there. How's everybody's weekend been, man? Everybody doing good? Enjoying yourselves? You being happy and healthy, and doing things you like, and being taking care of yourselves, because that's what's important, right? I made this new stream layout, man, and I'm super pumped on it. It's been pretty awesome, right? Like, it's been fun for me to make this, right? I don't know why I bought a stream layout before, but I think it just took me some time to use OBS and understand how it worked, and then kind of, put my own style onto it and figure out, what worked best for me and what I enjoyed. And, if anybody needs a stream layout, like, please reach out. I would love to make you one. Honestly, I'd love to do this for you, and then it would help build my portfolio, and maybe I can, sell a couple of them, and that'd be great, right? Everybody wants to make money doing what they like, right? Let's get into this. We're gonna hit that full screen, and we're gonna talk about so much for tariffs. Business could avoid paying $250 billion in levies. Goldman Sachs says President Trump's tariffs are expected to enrich the U.S. government, but businesses may still manage to avoid $250 billion in levies over the next few years. According to a team led by Goldman's chief executive, John Hattis, in a Friday note, the economist estimated that $110 billion to $130 billion in tariffs were evaded in 2023 as a result of the U.S.-China trade war. Combining this figure with their outlook, which predicts as much as $125 billion in tariff evasions under Trump, the team said this implies the total tariff evasion could raise to about $250 billion. And they're worried about you dodging your crypto taxes, huh? U.S. businesses who import goods from China and other countries subject to tariffs have been able to evade additional charges. They have done this by shipping products through non-tariffed countries. Yep, so it doesn't come directly to the U.S. It goes to another country, and then it becomes imported to the U.S. with a company without a tariff. Evading billions of dollars in tariffs, this would deliver a sharp blow to Trump, who repeatedly said he aims to collect money from foreign sources and pour it into the Treasury to pay down U.S. debt. In Trump's view, tariffs are essentially a way to tax foreign companies, believing they would absorb the tariffs and lower their pricing. Instead, tariffs are paid by domestic importers who route goods from China and typically pass the additional charges on to consumers. I don't know how tariffs work. I don't know. If I'm being honest, I really don't. Everything I do is probably from China. It all costs a lot. I don't know. I don't know what I could do to affect those prices. So we're going to leave that as it is. We're going to see what happens. And, we're not going to worry about things we cannot change in our lives. Oh, we're in stocks. That's why. We want to be in crypto, man. Here we go. BlackRock Ethereum holdings surpassed 1.2 million ETH amidst strong institutional adoption details. Ethereum declined by 5.68% in the last week, in line with the majority of the crypto market. The prominent altcoin currently trades at around $3,290 as investors wait for the crypto bull run's return to form. On the other hand, rising institutional adoption provides a positive development for the Ethereum community. BlackRock's ETHA led spot ETF market with $1.2 million in ETH. If you have a hard time understanding what that means, it's basically BlackRock's ETF is called ETHA, and they led the market with $1.2 million in ETH. That is awesome. According to the recent X post, Ethereum is currently experiencing a surge in institutional adoption, evidenced by developments in the spot ETF market. So they're saying that, hey, ETFs are being bought, and they're being bought in high demand because now big companies like BlackRock and Fidelity can now sell Ethereum, which drives the spot price up. How it works is I'm the big dog BlackRock, and your great-grandpa wants to invest in Bitcoin, and he has no idea what Bitcoin or Ethereum is. So he gives his money to BlackRock, and BlackRock purchases their version of the ETF, but they need to fund that through Ethereum. That's basically the easiest way I can make that easily to understand. And what they're saying is that their ETF is now valued at $3.19 billion. That is pretty crazy. So at the highest point, they were worth almost $4 billion. 3.97. Fidelity occupies the second place, and they're worth around $1.4 billion. Now, what a bummer, right? That's got to suck to just have that much money and assets available at your disclosure. You know, here I am sitting in here bored, haven't seen a single customer, making $50 a year. It's exhausting. YouTube, help me out, man. YouTube algorithm gods, make it happen for me. I'm gonna put in the work. Ooh, getting emotional. We're gonna move that to that so you don't have to see me get emotional about thinking about my future. PancakeSwap to accept ambassador program application. Do you want to be an ambassador for PancakeSwap? I would love to endorse PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has announced the opening of applications for its ambassador program, available from January 24th to February 2nd. Refer to the official tweet by Cake. Let's go ahead and sign up for that. I would love to talk about PancakeSwap to my 300 followers. There's the way to apply. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to apply just for fun. What else do we got? CRO is getting a Kraken listing. That could be good or bad for the price. I think it would be pretty good. It would allow more people to buy it. I hope with the U.S. regulations and changing in crypto this year that, you know, I'm now going to be able to trade openly and freely without a VPN. And I would gladly use KYC on an exchange where I'm able to trade with leverage and margin. And, you know, I need that, right? I want to be able to trade more and be a better trader, but instead I got to jump through all these loopholes just to be able to trade, and then at the end of the day I have to worry about whether or not I'm going to get my money back. So I don't like that. There hasn't been much going on ever since that Trump pump. That shit fucking skyrocketed, went up like 12,000% overnight. Yeah, if that's not market manipulation, I have no idea what market manipulation is. All right, we're gonna read this here. Here we go. XRP price prediction for January 2025. Most of the coins have failed to maintain yesterday's rise. The rate of XRP has dropped by 1.84% in the last 24 hours, according to TradingView. On an hourly chart, the price of XRP is in the middle of the local channel. So between the support and resistance, it's moving in its channel. All markets are moving sideways right now. I don't know why everybody's just with crypto, man. With crypto, people expect either straight up or straight down, which I'm cool with, right? I'm cool with those, but if we don't range between a level, how am I ever going to know which way price is going to go, right? I need to have those ranges where I can long from the bottom of those ranges and short from the top, and hopefully I can ride them out until it hits the next area of price consolidation. That's really what we're waiting for. Neither side is dominating. Any sharp moves are unlikely to happen by the end of the day. Yeah, we've just been moving sideways. On the bigger time frame, the situation is similar. The volume area is low. The volume's low, right? So not a lot of money coming in or out of crypto right now. XRP is trading at $3.10 at the current time. I want to pull open. We're gonna get rid of Hopper and we're gonna pull open XRP, and I just want to show that XRP has these moves that I've been watching, right? XRP, I'm gonna make this big. XRP has these moves where it shoots up, coils up, shoots up, coils up, shoots up, coils up. So I'm going to zoom back out and show you. Zooms up, coils up, shoots up, coils up, shoots up. And I think we're ready to coil up here, and we're coiling up here, and we're ready for, you know, a big move into a higher consolidation phase, you know? That's when we were ranging around. I can't show you. I bet I could break this down to a lower time frame. We'll go down to the 30-minute and reset the chart. And I bet I can find another example of that on a lower frame. Here's one. Coils up, comes up, coils up, shoots up, coils up, rejected. Here's another one. Comes up, coils up, but descending wedge pattern there. Yeah. That's what XRP has been doing. Ooh, we're down 450. We're down 450. Let's hold on. Let's hold on, baby. How long have I been streaming? I don't know. But let's read one more. Let's find one more good thing to talk about. You guys want a stream layout? Please let me build you a stream layout, man. I bet you got a lot of followers, and for some reason you're just watching this and you want me to make you one. I want to make a meme coin, guys. I think I'm gonna get more involved in that, and I think my next project is to make a meme coin on pump.fun and see what I can do. I want to take this more seriously. I need to take my life more seriously, and this is a big part of it. So this is where I start, right? This is where I start. Man, there's nothing good on here today. It's been boring. Stuffing nose. Man, I've seen one customer today. It's been absolutely boring. A lot of the other stores are crushing it. A lot of stores in my district are doing very well. But my store is not doing well. It is snowing. Nobody's wanting to go anywhere. I live in a rural area, so And if you don't know, I work for AT&T. Technically, I work for an authorized retailer for AT&T, but I am able to sell AT&T products, and I can help you with your AT&T products and bills. And if you'd like, feel free to reach out to me if you're looking to make that change. Bro, I'm scrolling and I can't find anything I want to read. Here we go. Let's read this. Let's read this one and then settle it up. XRP blows out Bollinger Bands as biggest expansion ever is recorded. XRP, popular cryptocurrency associated with Ripple's cross-border payment business, has just logged a technical anomaly that is turning heads. Its largest ever Bollinger Band expansion. This is not just another blip on the radar, but is a volatility spike, rewriting the asset's historical price pattern. For those not familiar with the Bollinger Bands, it basically acts like a financial stress test. The plot price volatility around the moving average, tightening during calm periods and flattening when the market gets crazy. XRP bands have now stretched wider than ever recorded, surpassing even the euphoria of the 2017 bull run and the chaos of the SEC lawsuit. Price action tells the part of the story with XRP. XRP swung almost 500% in 2 months as the bands expanded, rewriting the long-standing all-time high of $3.30. Bulls see this as pent-up energy from years of sideways trading, with optimism building around Ripple's end game. Bears, though, warn that such extreme band widening often precedes painful reversals. Yeah, reversals are good, right? If you're not taking your profits at the top and looking for those shorts, you're not trading, you're just a holder. Holder's cool, but make sure you are at least buying the bottoms if you're holding, right? What is interesting is XRP's recent divergence from Bitcoin. While most cryptos orbit around BTC's moves, XRP has been charting its own course. Key levels to watch now include the $2.80 where the median of the daily chart currently stretches. Behind the scenes, theories abound. Some speculate that institutional players are quietly positioning ahead of U.S. crypto ambitions of Ripple. Yeah, that would be awesome. What's missing? The usual suspects. No exchange meltdowns, no regulatory bombshells, just raw mechanics at work. We'll go back and look at XRP, and we'll see that it's been ranging in this area. Boop. Let's fast forward to they're saying that this is the next level of support around 280, which I got that marked out, and then we're floating around our point of control here, which is good. And honestly, if we can make it above this $3.60 range, our next target is $4.50. So let's make that happen. Let's make that happen quick. I could see that playing out by the end of the month for sure, if our cards are right. Ooh, this is hard. Oh my god, this is going hard right now. I hope I don't get hit for copyright. Let's check our trade again. Oh, well, we're up a little bit. I was going, oh man. That's alright, we can take a loss. We can take a loss. Scalp trading is hard, man. If you are in and out in 10 or 15 minutes, man, I give it up to you, especially because most scalp traders use such high leverage that they're either liquidated instantly or, they've made a gang of money real quick. Solana prediction. Bulls are coming back to the game at the end of the week. The price of Solana has increased by 9.1% over the last 24 hours. Despite today's sharp rise, the rate of SOL keeps looking bullish on the hourly chart. If the breakout of the local resistance happens, the growth is likely to continue to that $270 zone and above. On the bigger time frame, one should focus on the daily bar towards the nearest level, and if the candle closes around it or above, the accumulation energy might be enough to retest that $280 to $290 range. For the midterm point, the SOL is far from its main levels. In this case, traders should pay attention to the weekly candles and terms its peaks. What if it happens with no wick? There's a possibility of seeing that test to $300 range. Let's pull that up. Oh yeah, Solana's looking ready to rock too, my friends. Solana's looking ready to go. Yeah, man, if we can get above this range, we're on the 4 hour. Let's pull it back to the daily. We're closing above. Let's pull a fib. Yeah, it's sitting right there at that level. So I want to go out to the weekly. 1 week. Yeah, man, it's looking good. We really want to retest this all-time high, but honestly, Solana's looking great. It's playing these ranges. I think what we're gonna see here is we've had a test at the golden pocket. We shot up. We're holding this area of support. We retested the area of support, and we could test it a third time, but I don't see it getting down that low. It's going to come back up and smash that all-time high here by the end of the month. Let's get it. Let's close our trade out. We're going to take a loss. We're taking a loss here, guys. Let's close our position out. We're down $300. We're negative in our crypto club paper trading account. That'll change. I'm terrible at scalp trading, so we're gonna see how that happens, but we'll see you later. Please like and subscribe and holler at me. Hit me up.